Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you want to talk to world, and today we got some freebies for you. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. Are you ready for the freebies? Now, the first one is called Flash Health version 2. In always on mode, you're going to get a digital look, green color, but once the watch face is on, this is where the beauty begins. At the top, you're going to get your battery info. You get a digital time with a PM stamp. You also get information on miles walked or ran, also heart rate info to the right. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your day and your date, and also it lets you know how many steps you have walked. 25,000 plus for me. I'm doing really well. Then you get an animation going on in the back that looks really cool. You got lightning going on, and it shouldn't eat up too much of your battery at all. Now, what I like about it is interactive. So I tap on the 31. I accidentally tapped on the battery, but I tap on the 31. I can use my timer. Tap right here. I get information on my heart rate, calories, same thing down here. I get information on my steps. Now I like this. This is definitely a good look. And tap in the middle, you can get S Health. If you use S Health, a lot of us don't. But this is a good look. I'm liking this one, and you can customize it to 20 different colors. Just double tap and cycle through all the different colors you would like to go through. I thought this was pretty slick for a watch face. And check this out in the Gear Manager store. I think it's worth the download considering that it's free. Number 2, this one is called Gear S3 Model, and I think the thing I like about it most is that it's got the Gear S3 up at the top. You get your battery percentage, heart rate info at the top as well. You get a 24-hour digital time, you get info on your steps, weather, and also your date, and it is inactive. I can tap on my weather, get the info for the weather. Same thing for my music and my settings as well. This, I'm telling you, is a good look to be free. I can also tap on the watch face in a certain place, and I can change the color, give it a different look. Again, this is not a bad looking watch face. Gives you everything that you could possibly need out of it. I like it. What do you think, guys? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Number 3, I like this one. It looks good in the always on mode, which is the traditional analog look. Now, the name of the watch face is called Fluid Blue Gear. Let's cut the watch face on, take a better look at it. Now, it's animated. I like this animation. You get your day and your date at the top, as well as your heart rate information, and you get a digital time, as well as info on your steps, which is interactive. So if you tap on it, it will bring up information for your steps, calories burned, things of that nature. Also, your battery info. And it does the same thing for the heart rate. So this is a good look. Now you're thinking, can you customize the color? No, you can't customize the color, but the color does change according to your battery level. So right now mine is at an all-time low, so it's showing red. So if it's on medium, like 50%, it's going to show orange. And if it's really good, like 100% or near 100%, it's going to show blue, which isn't bad at all. Considering that this is free, I think it's worthy of a download just to show off in public. But hey, it's definitely a casual watch face. Alright you all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.